When you create a video with ReelCraft AI animation, it does not have caption immediately for the script. But if you create a short video, it is a good idea to have captions. In this video, I will show you how to add and design caption in a video and also the overlay text. To do that, go to the dashboard and find the video you want to edit. Then it will open in the video tab. If the video does not open, go to the storyboard and click regenerate. Maybe you made some changes and didn't click on regenerate. Click on the Edit Captions. In the new window, you have a few options. On top, you can decide the position of the caption, top, middle, or bottom of the video. The next button is for editing the text itself. You can't remove or add anything, but if you find a word that is not spelled correctly, or you want to add punctuation like question mark, you can click here and find the word you want to change. If you don't want caption at all, or you want to add them, click on Caption Enable. On the left side, you have the caption templates, and you can also add your own. On the right side, you have the screen with the video so you can see how it looks. You have two options for the animation of the text, word by word or multiple words, slight different animation. To change the template, click on template you want to use. If you want to change something, you can click on Edit Template or Create New. When you click on one of them, you have some options like changing the font size and color. You can also choose to have capitalized letters or regular ones. And here you can click if you want to show the words one by one or a few words at a time. When you create a new template, it gives it a name based on the font. You can't change the name of the template. Another thing is you can't change the template for just part of the video. The template is only for the entire video. If you want to add text that is not part of the script of the video, or you want part of the text to be in different color, you can add overlay text. To do that, click on Edit Video. You have two options on the side, to add an overlay image or text. I showed how to add an image in a different video, but it is kind of the same idea. Click on Add Text and you will see new text on the screen of the video. You can move the text around as you wish. To change the size or color, click on the pencil icon. Here you can write the text you want to show on the screen, decide how big it should be, pick the text color and choose the font. You don't have the option to add hex code for the color, so it is a bit annoying that you need to remember all the numbers to make a consistent color palette. But you do have color picker, so you can pick a color on your screen to match the color of the video. At the end, remember to click save, so it will save everything. If you want the text to be in 2 lines, then you need to add a different text overlay and place them in the order you wish. You also need to match the size and color so it looks nice. At the bottom of the video, you will see the timeline. Here you can change the starting and ending point of the text. If you click on the sides, it will make it longer or shorter. If you click in the middle, you can move the text around. If you want to learn how to edit the script of the video, click here.